it's Sunday today, and Sunday is always a Mother's Day for me. So then it's a me time, me daughter time. And one of the most challenging part of being mothers is to train kids on how to get smart, on how to do things in school. So some of the challenges includes vlogging, not necessarily hosting, but things like that they may be able to do what their school require them to do. Like in high school, they should be able to talk and communicate properly. So that's one of the things that I always wanted Celine to acquire. So here's one of the videos of our training. Stay tuned.
Ay, balik. Kasama ko eh. Ready, action! Sige, go! Sige na!
Hi guys! This is Celine from Pajama Momma.
Ayaw pagdala sa payong ba? Naunsa, ang payong may akong gikwanan. Action!
Hi guys! My name is Celine. Hi guys! This is This is Pajama. Hi guys, my name is Celine. Hi guys, this is Celine from Pajama Momma channel.
Otro, balik. Ayuha ba? Hi guys, this is Celine. I am from the Pajama Momma channel.
Hi guys, this is Celine from the Pajama Momma channel. Our destination for today is a ball.
Our destination for today. Sige.
Our destination for today is a ball.
Our destination for today is Opol.
Our destination for today is a ball.
Otro.
Our destination for today is a ball.
Otro.
Our
Nagkini ka.
destination for today is a ball.
Pajama Momma would like to give you a few tips on how to boost the confidence of your kids. Make sure to expose your kids to social activities. Second, engage with them in career role plays. 3. Be supportive in everything they do. Alright, let's do a backtrack. Celine was a shy girl and she doesn't want to mingle until the day I enrolled her in a modeling workshop. Well, I'm too sure that the modeling workshop was the best intervention. I also made sure that she participated in school activities, and during summer, I enroll her in summer classes. I made her too busy to forget about being shy. So if you think your kid is too shy, don't be upset. Just do your best. Be there 24/7. Look, this is Celine now, ramping her way to success as a model. My name is Barbara and this is Pajama Momma. Thanks for watching.